The tropics and the changing weather pattern. I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak with Weather 2020. What is going on? We're about to have our second hurricane of the season, just number two. Let's go over that and also take a look at the overall weather pattern that's developing right now. Something special, something amazing, astronomically and meteorologically is happening on Monday. We'll talk about that as well on this tropical update, September 20th, 2025. All right, let's take a look and see what's going on. We'll start with, I want to take you from the beginning of here. You can see here the LRC Tropical Insights in our tropical update in this quiet season so far. Gabrielle has formed and is likely going to become Hurricane Gabrielle by Sunday morning and become a Category 2 hurricane as it curves harmlessly out to sea over the Atlantic Ocean, as you can see here on this latest track. So Gabrielle located right in here, about to be a hurricane by this time on Sunday, and you can see it will track off and go harmlessly out to sea, leaving the United States free from any danger. We've had Andrea, Barry, Chantal, Dexter. Aaron was a major hurricane. Fernand and Gabrielle our second hurricane of the season. So that's it. 7 named storms. Yes, I'm surprised. A lot of systems did not materialize, and there isn't much time left. A month or so to go in hurricane season, really, although it'll last till November 30th. The next name would be Humberto and Imelda. Will we ever get to Jerry, Karen, or Lorenzo? We will see. So here's the overall weather pattern. You can see Gabrielle is located right out here off the East Coast. This is the forecast for the first day of fall, September 22nd. You can see here, all right? The flow is coming across the Pacific. This is the flow at about 18,000 feet. And then look what happens. Look what happens right over southern Canada. The main jet stream is way up to the north, but there's a split flow that develops, and this system drops in. There was a system like this in August, but it wasn't strong enough to produce much precipitation. Could this one be the same system? Is it faking us out on a chance of rain? Well, the strange storm is forecast to develop right here underneath this weird ridge. So we have a ridge over a low, a trough, and a little system off the California coast too. You can see here, very interesting, right? And then there is Gabrielle off in the Atlantic moving out to sea. This is Monday, September 22nd. By Wednesday, September the 24th, the second day of fall, you can see here an upper level low, and what happened to that energy formed into an upper low. Some models have it fully forming. If it does, Kansas City can get some rain, but if it does not and it stretches out, it will not. And then there's a system off the California coast. So how much rain does this show? If it closes off, there's little areas with nothing. You can see here, those will probably be over Kansas City, but 3 inches of rain pockets around Kansas City, around southern Missouri, northwest Kansas, 1 inch over the Rockies, and even 1 inch around Monterey Bay, San Luis Obispo area. So interesting little storm out there as we move into the first part of fall. Very interesting beginning. So very interesting for sure. So let me come back full screen here. What is going on right now on Monday, something astronomical happens, which is likely an igniter of the LRC for the season. What happens on Monday at about 1 o'clock Central Time or so? The sun sets at the North Pole. It sets at the North Pole once a year. And then it's twilight there until about October 5th or 6th. And that's when the LRC begins, when it goes dark at the North Pole. So let's watch closely. The evolution of the new pattern is about to begin, or it has already started. I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak. Let me know if you have any questions. This is your tropical update. No immediate threats. The Raphael part of the pattern is due back around the first week of October, some models do show a hint of something forming in the Gulf, but right now, not much developing. Have a great day, great weekend, everyone, and happy fall autumnal equinox coming up Monday. Next update will be Tuesday, a full update.